Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to transfer from old phone to new phone on the Marco Polo video messenger app. So if you want to transfer your account from old phone to your new phone on the Marco Polo video messenger app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to transfer your account from the old phone to your new phone on the Marco Polo video messenger app, you just need to make sure that you have installed the Marco Polo video messenger app on a device. So if you have not installed it, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you need to open the Marco Polo app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you won't be able to change the number or you won't be able to transfer it to your new phone. So this is the home page where you'll see the option like chat, my friends and various options on the bottom taskbar. So transfer it to your new phone, click on the option of settings and click on the option of your account, or you will see the option of your name. So you may simply click on it, and from here you will see the option of change phone number or change number. So click on it, and this says this will transfer your account from your current phone to your new number. So click on the option of continue, and after entering a number, you just need to enter the number which you are using in your new phone, and you need to enter the confirmation code to your new number, and you will be able to transfer it from your old phone to your new phone by this. You just need to install the Marco Polo on a new phone, and you need to simply open the app, and from the old phone you just need to change the phone number by doing all of the process I have previously done, and you will be able to transfer from the old phone to your new phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.